It is the South Goa Advocates Association organizing a tournament, cricket tournament, tennis ball. And I see enthusiasm all around. All the players and the officials are ready to start. And everybody is telling me, just limit your words. And I am just limiting it because I want to enjoy also. And I remember earlier, we used to play. I used to be one of the pacers. And today, I want all to participate as in the spirit of game and exhibit their skills so that you have to keep our head busy, clapping, good show.
On behalf of South Goa Advocates Association, I welcome all the teams who are going to participate in today's All Goa Tennis Ball Tournament. In fact, the format which we have kept is a league system. So all the teams which are going to play will have minimum 3 matches to be played at the initial stages. The entire concept is that it should not be a knockout tournament, so that every member, every player gets an opportunity to perform, show his performance on the ground. We have seen that lawyers are always performing in the courtrooms. Today, the lawyers are going to perform on the playground. I welcome each and every member of the team. In fact, today's tournament, we have also invited the judges over here who will also be playing alongside the advocates, and the coach staffs are also going to play with they have got their own teams. So I welcome all the advocates, the judges and the coach staff, and I hope that everybody plays the game of cricket in the best way.
I congratulate to all players who are playing here and all the teams who are participating.